In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Moomoo account to TradingView. If you've been looking to streamline your trading activities by integrating these two platforms, you're in the right place. This video will walk you through the process in a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to log into your TradingView account. Head over to tradingview.com and enter your login details. If you don't yet have an account, you'll want to sign up first, but assuming you do, make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Now, once you're on the charting page in TradingView, you'll notice a range of tools and options displayed. What you want to focus on is the trading panel. You can find this located at the bottom of your screen. Simply click on it to bring up the different trading options available to you. As the trading panel opens up, you'll see a section titled All Brokers. This is where all the supported brokers are listed. Take your time to scroll through and locate Moomoo from this comprehensive list. When you found it, click on it to select it as your broker of choice. With Moomoo selected, the next step involves connecting your accounts. You'll see a Connect button displayed, ready to be clicked. This is the key to initiating the connection process between TradingView and your Moomoo account, so go ahead and give it a click. You'll now be prompted to enter your Moomoo account credentials. This includes your username and password. It's important to enter these details accurately to ensure a smooth connection. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Moomoo account, be prepared as you might also need to enter a verification code to proceed. Once you've entered your credentials, the system will take a moment to verify the connection. During this time, make sure all details are correct and your internet connection is stable. After a successful login, TradingView will display a confirmation message letting you know that your accounts are now linked. Congratulations, you're now connected and ready to start trading directly from TradingView with your Moomoo account. This integration allows you to enjoy a seamless trading experience. Combining the powerful charting tools of TradingView with the direct trading capabilities provided by Moomoo. Feel free to explore and take advantage of this setup to enhance your trading strategies. Remember, staying connected to the right tools is essential in today's fast-paced trading environment. Thanks for watching and happy trading.